Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about should and shouldn't and how to use it. Are you ready? Okay, so we're going to use should for affirmative and shouldn't for negative sentences. Lembrando que should significa deveria, okay? You're going to use should to give your opinion about a particular situation and give advice, ou seja, dar uma opinião ou um conselho. For example, I want to buy a house. So in response, you should save money, ou seja, você deveria economizar dinheiro. In this case, you shouldn't give your real information to people you don't know. You should do your homework and pay attention to class. Você deveria fazer sua tarefa de casa e prestar atenção às aulas. You should look at both sides before you cross the street. Você deveria olhar ambos os lados antes de atravessar a rua. It's your mom's birthday. You should bake her a cake. É o aniversário da sua mãe, você deveria assar um bolo para ela. It's hot today. We should go get ice cream. We should get some ice cream. Nós deveríamos tomar um sorvetinho. You look dehydrated. You should drink more water. Você parece desidratado, você deveria tomar mais água. You shouldn't eat fast food every day. It's not healthy. Você não deveria comer fast food todos os dias, não é saudável. You should learn more about social media before you work with digital marketing. Gostou? Dá um like, se inscreve no canal, compartilha. Like, share, subscribe.